You are going to love the 2023 Malibu. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.